हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम कोशीज रूट टेस्ट तथा कंपैरिजन टेस्ट डिस्कस करेंगे। कोशीज रूट टेस्ट, इसका स्टेटमेंट इस प्रकार है। इफ़ सिग्मा यू एन बी ए सीरीज ऑफ पॉजिटिव टर्म्स सच दैट लिमिट n टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी यू एन होल रेज्ड पावर 1 by n equal to l a real number, then if l is less than 1, sigma un will be convergent. If l is greater than 1, sigma un will be divergent. If l is equal to 1, sigma un may converge or diverge. Example first, sigma 1 by log n raised to power n. Here un is equal to, let un be the general term of the series and limit n tending to infinity un whole raised power 1 by n is equal to limit n tending to infinity 1 by log n raised power n whole raised power 1 by n, which is equal to 0, which is less than 1. Therefore, by Cauchy's root test, the given series is convergent. Example second, sigma 1 plus nx by n raised power n whole raised power n. Here un is equal to 1 plus nx raised power n by n raised power n. हम यहाँ पर इसका लिमिट ड्राइव करेंगे जो कि x के बराबर है. From Cauchy's root test, the given series sigma un is convergent or divergent as x is less than 1 or greater than 1. Now, if x is equal to 1, then limit n tending to infinity un will be equal to limit n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 by n whole raised to power n, which is equal to e, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given series is not convergent when x is equal to 1. Thus, the given series is convergent if x is less than 1 and divergent if x is greater or equal to 1. नाउ कंपैरिजन टेस्ट फर्स्ट टाइप. इस टेस्ट के 3 फॉर्म्स है. पहला फॉर्म इस प्रकार है. इफ सिग्मा यू एन एंड सिग्मा वी एन आर टू सीरीज ऑफ पॉजिटिव टर्म्स, देन फर्स्ट इफ सिग्मा वी एन इज कन्वर्जेंट and un is less than or equal to vn for all n belonging to n, then sigma un is also convergent. If sigma vn is divergent and un is greater or equal to vn for all n belonging to n, then sigma un is also divergent. Example, 2 by 1 square into x plus 3 square by 2 cube into x square plus 4 square by 3 raised to power 4 into x cube. Here un is equal to n plus 1 raised to power n by n raised to power n plus 1 into x raised to power n. We find a limit n tending to infinity un whole 1 by n जो कि x के बराबर है. Therefore, by Cauchy's nth root test, the given series is convergent if x is less than 1 and divergent if x is greater than 1. Now, if x is equal to 1, then un will be equal to 1 by n into 1 plus 1 by n raised power n. By comparison test, sigma un and sigma vn converge or diverge together. Let sigma vn be equal to 1 by n be the auxiliary series. Then limit n tending to infinity un by vn will be equal to e, which is not equal to 0. We know that sigma vn is divergent. So, by comparison test, sigma un is also divergent. So, the given series is convergent for x less than 1 and divergent for x greater or equal to 1. Second form of this test is, if sigma un and sigma vn are two series of positive terms and if limit n tending to infinity un by vn equal to l not equal to 0, where l is a finite number, then either both the series are convergent or divergent. And the third form is, if sigma un and sigma vn are two series of positive terms, then first, if sigma vn is convergent, then sigma un is also convergent if after some time particular term for all n greater than n0, a fixed number un by un plus 1 is greater than vn by vn plus 1. Second, if sigma vn is divergent, then sigma un is also divergent if after some particular term, that is for all n greater than n0, a fixed number un by un plus 1 is less than vn by vn plus 1.